Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making homemade egg salad lettuce wraps. For the full recipe, please stick around until the end of the video. Let's begin by chopping up your celery into small pieces. As you can see here, I'm just chopping mine up. You can chop yours small or large if you'd like. Next, I'm going to be chopping up my green onions into small pieces, as well as half of a red onion. Once you have your veggies ready, you can set them aside. Next, you can begin slicing your boiled eggs into small pieces. As you can see here, I'm just slicing mine up into small pieces. You can cut them in large pieces, small pieces, any size you would like for your egg salad. Now that I have my eggs all chopped up, it is now time to begin preparing your egg salad. First, begin by adding in your celery into the bowl, and then add in your chopped red onions. Next, you will add in your green onions, but save some for the end as garnish. Now it is time to add in your black pepper and salt to taste. You can use as much or as little salt and pepper as you would like. Next, add in your mayo into the bowl. As you can see here, I'm just adding in my mayo now. And next I'll be adding in mustard. Next, add in your paprika and your chili powder. If you do not like spice, you do not have to add the chili powder, as well as the hot sauce. Again, if you do not like spice, you do not have to add in the hot sauce. They are optional ingredients. Next, I'll be adding in a dash of apple cider vinegar and dill to taste. If you do not have dill, you can use parsley to substitute. Once you have all the ingredients in the bowl, you can now mix until fully combined. So now that you have your egg salad all ready, it is now time to make the lettuce wraps. Let's begin. Place your lettuce onto a serving dish of your choice, and next add in your egg salad into each of your lettuce leaves. As you can see here, I'm just adding in my eggs onto the lettuce leaves, and then I'll be adding in black pepper, dill, and paprika as garnish. You do not have to add in anything extra onto the top of it, but I think it just makes your dish look pretty. You can now add the extra green onion onto the top if you wish, or you can save it for your reserved egg salad that you have left over. There we have it, family. This is my homemade version of egg salad lettuce wraps you can enjoy any time of the year. The total time it will take to complete this dish is 40 minutes. It'll serve 2 to 4 portions and a little bit extra for the next day. If you wish, you can cool your egg salad down for 10 to 20 minutes before making your egg wraps. Here are the main ingredients you will need to make your very own egg salad at home. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Please kindly like, share, and subscribe to join the family.